In this video, I will unbox the MSD Power Grid Controller part number 77303. Here is a quick view of the outside of the box. Cut the two pieces of tape at the top of the box in order to open it. This is the Power Grid Controller. Here is the micro USB cable used to communicate with the controller. This is the shielded magnetic pickup cable which should be used to connect the controller to the pickup at either the distributor or crank trigger. This 4-pin Deutsch connector harness is only used for ignition modules other than the Power Grid Ignition part number 7720. Here is the Power Grid Controller main harness. It includes several connectors including magnetic pickup, ignition, V-net, CAN bus, and legacy ignition. The termination cap should already be connected to the CAN bus connector. This cap should always be used. If using any optional CAN bus hubs, the termination cap should be used at the end of the series on the last hub. This is the 2-pin legacy connector harness. Here is the parts bag. Included in the parts bag are 4 mounting grommets, along with other supplied hardware and electrical parts. The remaining items in the box are the instruction documents, the MSD View and Review software installation CD-ROM, and decals. Please use the link with this video to download all applicable technical resources for this product, including documents and software, from holly.com.